Hey, Mr. Sock.
Hey, how's it going, Miss Stocking?
How's your first day at school going?
It's going great. As long as I can remember to use complete sentences, I think I'll be just fine.
That's the spirit. Do you have any questions? Have you met everybody?
No, I think I'm good to go, but hey, what do those coaches do? I've never worked with coaches before.
They're like Nationwide. They're on your side.
That's not what Mr. Nylon said. He said they're freaking spies for the principal.
No, that's not it at all. They're just here to build capacity in teachers.
Well, that's not what Miss Fishnet thinks. She said they jump into classes, make quick first impression decisions, and tell on you to the district.
Well, they do get around to all the classrooms, but they're collecting campus-wide data and looking for ways to improve instruction classroom management.
Well, Miss Tights thinks that they only pick on sucky teachers, so if they're in your room, you must suck. She also thinks they have inflated titles and don't have enough answers to justify their massive salaries.
Remember, it is their job to build capacity in teachers, so they go where they can do their job. If a teacher doesn't have an understanding, then they're there to assist them.
Well, they still get paid too much.
Have you seen Mr. Cunningham's car and heard it?
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.